Your computer connects to several accounts, and managing them keeps things organized. In this video, we will explain managing connected accounts in Windows. Windows links to various accounts for email, work, school, and services, and you control them all in one place. Open Settings and go to Accounts. Here you will find your main account information and several related sections. Under Email and Accounts, you can add or remove accounts used by apps like Mail and Calendar, keeping your messages and schedule in sync. Under Access Work or School, you can connect to a workplace or educational organization, which may provide access to resources and apps. You can also see accounts used by other apps and services. To add an account, click the appropriate Add button and sign in. To remove one you no longer use, select it and choose Remove, which disconnects it from your PC. Reviewing your connected accounts periodically is good practice, removing any you no longer need for better privacy and security. Keeping your accounts organized ensures your email, calendar, and work resources stay connected and accessible, while letting you cleanly disconnect anything you have stopped using.